Monday morning once again. Good morning sa lahat dyan. Good morning, good morning. We're going back to school para kay Gab, and I'm going back to office para magtrabaho tayo. Maganda yung panahon natin dito sa Coronadal. Na ninyo. Started gloomy sa early morning, tapos ngayon okay na. Magandang panahon. So it's a good day. Yung sa mga nabahaan sa Luzon, sana mag-subside na rin yung tubig.
You need to hurry up.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna be late.
Yeah. You have to reach the school the fastest, the soonest.
And not too much speed because
Yeah.
no, like, you're gonna crash the cars.
Yeah. Tama lang. You cannot bump them. You cannot tell them to go fast kasi this is a long line of tricycle, motorcycle, four-wheel vehicle. Lapit na tayo.
Guys, we need to park our spot.
You need to look for spot to park. Naglobat siya. So
If
bye
you-
everyone. Is that your friend?
I think that's not my friend. That toy.
Oo.
That's bad.
Okay.
Ew, even the slipper. Slipper or dipper?